Hello, welcome to Otis Place. It's good to have you on the channel. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to grow your natural hair longer and faster. Growing natural hair longer and faster is something that you can do with some easy steps I'm going to share with you in this video today. These steps are steps that have helped me with my natural hair, and I believe if you use them consistently for at 6 months, you will see the results you're looking for. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. The first thing I'm going to share with you to grow your natural hair longer and faster is to detangle your hair properly. Detangling natural hair is so important because it will help prevent breakage. Now, when you want to detangle your hair, you can either use a conditioner or you can use a gel, plant-based gel. I love aloe vera. I love aloe vera gel. It helps. The sleep helps me a lot when I'm detangling my hair, and I believe it's going to help you. You want to detangle starting from the tips to the roots. It helps give you sleep. It helps loosen those tangles, the clumped hair together. The aloe vera gel will help detangle it properly. If not aloe vera gel, you can use flaxseed gel. You can use okra gel, anyone that you can lay your hands on. But you want to make sure you detangle your hair properly. It is a very important step. If you don't detangle your hair properly, you're going to realize that you are going to suffer breakage. You will see that your hair is breaking. When you're making your hair, you will see little pieces of hair on the floor. That is breakage you're seeing. When you detangle your hair, when you apply the gel or a conditioner to your hair, you want to use a white tooth comb. Use a white tooth comb to loosen up the hair. I personally do not use brushes on my hair. If you want to use a brush, that's fine. Detangle, comb through. The gel or the conditioner will help. The plant-based gel or the conditioner will help the comb pass smoothly through your hair. You want to make sure you do this in sections. You have to detangle your hair in sections. That way you'll be able to reach all the tangles. You'll be able to make sure that the product you're using reaches everywhere on your hair and prevents breakage. The next tip I'm going to share with you is to shampoo your hair properly. Wash your hair properly. You want to make sure that when you're washing your hair, you wash in sections. To I personally wash in sections. This helps my hair not to be tangled. It helps the product reach everywhere. I wash the hair section by section, and this has helped me a lot. When you want to wash your hair, use a good shampoo for your hair. You can use mostly a sulfate free shampoo, although sometimes you are good to use a clarifying shampoo that will help lift up all the dirt. You want to make sure that when you're washing, when you're shampooing, your scalp is also clean. Scrub your scalp, clean your scalp. Do not over shampoo, because over shampooing will lead to dry, brittle hair. Shampoo once or twice depending on how dirty your hair is, and after that rinse that properly before you apply your conditioner, your deep conditioner. You want to make sure that you're conditioning or deep conditioning your hair. It is very important. The next step is to make sure you moisturize your hair properly. Guys, moisturizing your hair is very important. If you want to grow long hair faster, you want to make sure that your hair stays moisturized, because dry, brittle hair results in breakage. If your hair is dry, brittle, thirsty, your ends are dry and brittle too, guys, they will start breaking off. What you want to do is use a good moisturizer. It doesn't have to be very expensive. It doesn't have to be expensive at all. Use a good moisturizer to moisturize the hair, and I moisturize in sections, so I advise people moisturize your hair in sections. When you moisturize in sections, you will see better results. The product will reach everywhere in your hair. You want to make sure you start from the tips, that's the driest and oldest part of your hair, and work your way. And when you finish moisturizing, seal in that moisture with a butter. The next tip is to do protective styles. Guys, protective styling is important. One of my favorite protective styles is two strand twist. I put my hair in a protective style, and that way I don't disturb my hair for up to a month. I don't comb my hair. All I do is just moisturize the hair and make sure that I seal in that moisture. It helps my hair rest. It helps my scalp rest. That way my hands are not always in my hair. You can do braids if you want. You can do twists if you want. there are different protective styles to do. Just choose your favorite. Make sure that your protective style is not too tight. Make sure that your protective style is protective indeed, and your hair will thrive. All these tips I'm sharing will help you with length retention. The next tip I'm going to share with you is avoid too much heat to your hair. Guys, if I want to stretch my hair, if I want my hair to have some stretch, to have a blowout, I use African threading on my hair. I use African threading. The longer I keep the threading, the more stretched my hair is going to be. But I stay away from heat as much as possible. I stay away from direct heat on my hair. You can see the result of this African threading on my hair. My hair looks stretched as if I did a blowout with heat. This is heatless. This is just with thread. It will help you a lot. The next step is making sure you incorporate natural ingredients in your hair care. Fenugreek, rosemary, cloves, they are very good for the hair. I love cloves a lot. Ginger is so good for the hair. Hibiscus is also good for the hair. Guys, there are a lot of natural ingredients that you can use for your natural hair. You can make a tea, a hair rinse, you can make hair growth oil, you can make different things with these products, and they are easy to come by. Make your own hair product, make your own hair oil, or you make your own tea rinse, or if you want you can buy. This will help with the health of your hair. This will help you see longer, faster natural hair. The next I'm going to share with you is using essential oils. Guys, I have a video on essential oils where I explained their different uses. They are very good for the hair. Use essential oils on your hair. If you have to pick one or two, pick rosemary, pick peppermint, pick cloves. Guys, pick tea tree oil. They are very good, and do not use essential oils on your own like that. Always dilute it with a carrier oil. The next tip is making sure you give your hair a scalp massage. Scalp massages are so soothing to the hair. Just take out time to massage your hair, maybe like 5 minutes. Give yourself a good massage. Massage your scalp, the different parts from the front, the middle part, as in the crown part, the back. Just make sure you massage your hair lightly for like 5 minutes, and you will see results. Guys, I've been able to give you a few tips that I know will help grow your hair longer and faster. I'm sure many of you have your other tips that you could share. Please share them with us in the comment section. If you're watching up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on the bell, select the all options so that whenever I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my YouTube channel grow. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Until I see you next time, do have a blessed day. Bye.